Welcome back, and in our top business story, DP World has announced a rise of 12% in profit to $310 million before tax for the first 6 months of the year, up from the same period in 2011. DP World Chairman, His Excellency Sultan Ahmed bin Sulayem, stated that although the past 6 months has been challenging, DP World has seen growth in key markets of the Middle East, Africa and South America. Revenue increased to $1,529 million, with underlying growth of 10% from handling more containers, while non-container revenue also saw a 14% rise. The company also continued investment into quality long-term assets, with $260 million invested for H1. DP World also handled 7.5% more containers than in the same period last year and outperformed industry volume growth, leading to an increase in market share.
Despite the challenging period of global economy, we were able to achieve very good results, especially in Africa, Middle East, and South America. The reasons for the good results are our wise decisions to invest and expand in emerging markets, our knowledge and experience in the shipping business, as well as our spread around the world in 60 terminals, plus our excellent relation with our customers, the shipping line. All of that had made it possible to be very careful in our selection where we invest and what we invest in, and it reflected, of course, on our cost-cutting controls in other areas which doesn't have a growth.
Additionally, Sulayem also further elaborated on the company's plans to expand the capacity at Jebel Ali.
We are adding 1 million TEU now, which will be finished in April next year. At the same time, we started another expansion, which will give us a further 4 million TEUs. We will reach almost 19 million by 2014. That should finish in 2014. So we are actively working to basically be able to deal with the demand from the shipping lines on the Jebel Ali terminal.
Over half of Dubai's financial recruiters are looking to hire permanent staff before the end of the year, according to a new survey. The figure marks the second highest percentage in the world, according to an international survey for recruiter Robert Half, which interviewed 2,200 finance executives. Brazil came in at the number 1 spot with 57%, while the global average was seen at 24%. Experts say that local companies are hiring off the back of strong growth, demand and more confidence in the market here. According to a local paper, some experts say that private bankers and wealth managers are in high demand. And let's now take a look at the stock indices across the GCC.